Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to compress the video that you are uploading to YouTube using PHP and FFmpeg. So basically many a times when you upload videos on YouTube you need to compress the video size. So I will be showing in this tutorial how you can do that with PHP using the FFmpeg library. So first of all you need to download the FFmpeg library by visiting to Google and type here FFmpeg. So the very first result which comes in, click this link. As you know, it is an open source image processing library and also video processing. So click on the download button and install for Windows. After you successfully installed it, go to command prompt, and if you type this command ffmpeg, this command will work. So this will signify that you have successfully installed this library. Now this library is installed inside. If you have installed it normally, then it is installed inside your C directory, and I have created a ffmpeg folder. Inside the bin folder we have these binaries, which is ffmpeg, ffplay and ffprop. So now we need to use it inside our PHP application. So all the source code of this video I have given in the video description. So if you go to my blog here, if you go to the video description, you will be redirected to this blog. Step by step instruction is given. So first of all you need to copy paste the bootstrap code here. Just create an index.html. I am using exam control panel for my local web server. So here first of all we are using some bootstrap, so include the bootstrap CDN, and inside the body paste this code. And if I now refresh my application by visiting to localhost ffmpeg, you will see this interface which is there, change bitrate. So first of all we will compress the video using changing the bitrate of the video. Bitrate is nothing but how much is the quality of the video. So here we can choose a certain video file and then we can compress it. So now we need to, inside the select box we can select the quality of the video, 240p, 360, 480, 720 and 1080. So the PHP code is very much short here. If you go to here, just copy this PHP code, and right here when we submit this form here, you will find inside the action we are making this file change bitrate.php. So just make this file and paste this PHP code here. So first of all we are getting the video, and then we are getting the bitrate which the user has selected, and then we are invoking this command here. So you can just delete it, all this stuff here, and just do ffmpeg-i if you have globally installed ffmpeg on your system. If you have not installed globally, then you can just provide the path here of the ffmpeg library, and then this is a command here, and this is the output file name. You can change this output file name to anything, but I will stick to output.mp4. So when it has successfully executed this command, then it will print it that file has been converted. So now we can test this application by again go to localhost ffmpeg, and here we need to select a video file. Let's suppose I select this short video.mp4 file, and let me select 240p. Click change bitrate. So you will see it will do some processing, and after that it will print out the file has been converted. So now you can see that the output.mp4 file is already there, and you can see the message is also printed out, file has been converted. And I just want to show the file size difference. So if I go to this exam directory, inside exam we are there inside htdocs, and we are there inside ffmpeg folder. So this file has been there. You can see that 527 kilobytes the size is reduced to. So you can see this is a video, actual video of 10 seconds. So this corresponds to, if you want to compress it, you need to select the lower bitrate. Higher the bitrate, higher will be the video size. So if I show you the original video size, it was around 3.33 MB. Now we have reduced the size to almost 527 KB. And now let me just show you if we have selected the highest bitrate, which was 1080 HT, full HD video. So let me select this video, and select, let's suppose, 1080p. Click change bitrate. So let me just first of all delete this file here, and let me just select this file video and change this bitrate to 1080, and now it is processing it. So this can take some time depending upon your video size or how much length is that. So that is why I have selected small video. So it has converted it. Now let me just see output.mp4 file. Let me see the size here. You will see it is still pretty less, which is 1.39 MB, but you can see the relationship between the bitrate and the size. So if you change the bitrate to a higher bitrate, then the size will increase. So this was one way by which you can compress the video. The second way is to target the resolution. Resolution is also pretty uh, similar to bitrate also. Let me now first of all change the HTML code. If you ever gone to YouTube and watched videos, you will be knowing these facts about bitrate and resolution. So let me paste this, and now you will see, if I refresh, go to localhost ffmpeg. This is the change resolution application. Now you can choose your video file, and here you need to provide the resolution. So YouTube resolution is 1280 by 720 full HD. You can even provide, let me select list of resolutions of video. You can search on Google and then you can input this inside this. You can see various kinds of resolution: 4K, 3840. So let me put this resolution here to see the size difference. So let me select a file and let me put this resolution, which is 4K video. If I click change resolution, you will see this file hasn't been found. So first of all, we need to copy the code here, which is the resolution code. This is the code here. So copy this, and here you need to change the name of the file to change resolution .php. So here we will write this code. So delete this code and paste it code. So similarly, we are getting the video reference and the resolution which is posted by the user, and then we are making this command here. Similarly, I need to delete this once again. ffmpeg, providing the input video, and then we are making this resolution, and then we are making this output 2.mp4. So when the process is over, then it will input this message: file has been converted. So what we can do is that we can execute this application. So once again, if I go to the home page, if I select the input file and let me put this resolution, click on change resolution. So now it will take typically some time to change the video resolution to match the resolution that the user has provided. So just wait. So after processing, it will print out the message that the file has been converted. So this can take some time because it is changing the video to 4K resolution. 4K is the highest quality that you can get in terms of video. So you can see that file has been converted, and now let me see the file here. You will see this is 1.05 MB. You can see this is 4K video. You can see we have changed the resolution to this resolution. So if I go to the properties here, properties section, you will find here inside the details section, you will see this is a frame width to 3840 and frame height to 2160. So this is actually the 4K video. So in this way guys, you can just uh, let me just show a practical example to you also. Let me just upload this video as a private video to YouTube and show to you if it is working or not. If I upload this video, if I select this, let me just upload it as a private video. So let me go to desktop here. So htdocs, and then our project was inside ffmpeg. So this was a file output 2.mp4. So it is uploading here, so just wait. So I will upload it as a private video, so it is not accessible to public. So if I now publish this, so it is processing here. You can see that 95% processed. So just wait. So this is a link here. So let me copy this link. So as you know that YouTube takes time to process videos, so you will not see this change immediately, but as time goes off, then you will see definitely this change. 4K video will be there. Now if you go to the settings here, you will see. So as I already told you, YouTube takes time to process the video. So as time goes on, this will process until the 4K video, because we have converted this to 4K. So in this way guys, you can just reduce the size of the video, or you can also change the resolution of the video to 4K as well. So using PHP and FFmpeg, all the source code is given in the video description. You can go to my blog and download all the source code, and I will be seeing you in the next video.